All right, if you're looking for the absolutely most protective case you can get for your Samsung Galaxy A54, Poetic has you covered. Looking at Poetic packaging here, very similar. We've seen this packaging before. Poetic branding with the big OP smack down in the middle of the packaging with a bunch of P's kind of put together, making this nice kind of design. Nothing on the back. It says stop here. Installation video or guide. Just go ahead and scan that QR code. Without further ado, let's see what we have inside. Now, one thing I like about Poetic is that they give you a choice here. You have a choice with a screen protector or a choice without a screen protector. And you do have the screen protector accessories there for you. Now, you can either decide whether you want one with or without. Let's go ahead and put the one with because I currently do not have a screen protector currently installed. Now, this is their Guardian case. This is like in between the Neon and the Revolution case. This is going to give you a bunch of protection, but it is going to keep this clear plastic view on the back. It is like dual. You do have like soft TPU on the outer side and then hard plastic shell on the back. Let's go ahead and remove this. Let's go ahead and remove the front portion out of this here. Remove the protective film. And go ahead and install the tray. Grab the back portion of the case, kind of slid it down like that at an angle. Work that case around and voila, look at that. That looks very, very nice in hand. You do have a protective film there on the back. Grab your microfiber, clean that out. You probably want to clean the back of the phone too, because you are going to be able to see through that clear plastic on the back. Samsung branding there. Let's go ahead and see. I just booted up the phone. Let's see if this screen protector actually works with the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and lock it. Tap it there. Unlock it. And it does. It's a little slow because it's just booting up. And there is a software update for the Galaxy A54. But let's go ahead and wait on that and take a look at this beautiful Guardian case from Poetic. Now you do have Poetic branding right there in the bottom, and going through the bottom we do have this cover port there to protect your charging port there from any lint, debris, or any lint, dirt, or debris getting in the charging port. So you are protected with that cover port there. Your cutout for your mic and speaker are nice and precise, and you also got plenty of room around the charging port there. If you want to go ahead and use a third-party charging cable that's a little bit thicker than your normal one, you absolutely have room for that. On the right side of the case you do have 100% cover buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with the buttons. They feel nice and clicky when pressing down. On the top of the case you do have a perfect cutout there for your mic, and nothing on the left side of the case. On the corners you do have this extra kind of cushion, extra bumper guard in case your phone takes a fall or spill. You are very protective with this case because you do got added girth on the corner, on all four corners of the case. And you got plenty of lip protection there around the back of the case. You do got this nice lip protruding over the 3 camera setup there on the back, so you are protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, you are not going to scratch that camera lens or the back of this case, because it is raised with these kind of little legs here you have on each 4 corners, keeping it from touching the flat surface on its back. And looking on the front, you do have that same amount of lip protection all around this beautiful display on your Samsung Galaxy A54, so you are protected when you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. No issues with that whatsoever. Now this current device does not have wireless charging, so you're not gonna need to wirelessly charge. Now looking at the case, this gives you 360 degree protection, but tries to keep it as slim as possible, the most slim as it can, and at the same time letting you still see the aesthetics of the phone with this clear plastic back on the back of the case. Looks very good, feels good in hand. It is gonna come with the screen protector and one without, so if you don't want to rock the screen protector, you don't have to. I love that Poetic gives you choices, doesn't automatically make you have this screen protector, but the screen protector does work with the fingerprint reader. As we saw earlier, it works just fine. Link to this case will be in the description of the video. If you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself, go ahead and give Poetic a try. Very nice, good looking case. There's other colors available. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.